Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can use Claude AI without phone number or not. So let's get started. First, the truth is that Claude usually requires a phone number in many regions for verification, but there are a few workarounds depending on availability in your country. So first of all, you gotta head over to Claude AI, click sign up and try using Google account or email login. In some regions, Claude allows access without phone verification. Sometimes Claude skips phone verification if you sign in with Google account or already have trusted Google profile. Just click continue with Google. If Claude asks for a number, there's no official way to bypass it. It is used for security and anti-bot protection. And make sure to avoid fake number websites, SMS bypass tools, and temporary number generators. These often don't work or can get your account blocked. So if you don't want phone verification, you can try ChatGPT or use Claude via supported login methods. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.